If you want to share files with the iPhone on your OPPO Find X9, then in that case what you need to do is on the iPhone we need to go to the App Store and we need to download the OPPO Connect app. In this case, of course, I have already installed it, but we will need to grant some permissions in the app in order to be able to use it on our iPhone. Now, on our OPPO Find X9, we can, let's say, open the Files app, which is the file manager, and let's say I want to transfer these two files over here, these audio files that I have on my phone. So what I can do now is I can select them. I can either tap over here or press and hold my finger in order to select them, and then we need to use the share button over here at the top, and then we need to choose iPhone or PC. And in this case, we should be able to find our iPhone over here, so we can select this option, and we are now pending. And then once we receive the prompt that we are trying to send these files, of course, we need to agree to do that. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Now, if you want to send files from the iPhone to OPPO Find X9, then in that case, you want to choose Send over here on your iPhone. And we need to choose if you want to transfer photos or videos or some files. So let's say I'm going to go to Photos, and I'm going to choose these 3 photos over here, and I'm going to choose Send. And now we are looking for, the iPhone is looking for our OPPO, of course, which should be detected over here in the area, so we can select it. Now we need to wait to receive these files, and we need to accept them. And there we go. Once they are transferred, you should be able to find them, for example, in the file manager. And I have to open this one, and there we go. We have our photos transferred quite easily. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.